So the 21 days of beauty is definitely happening at Ulta. And honey, I know we missed a few days, okay? We've missed quite a few days, but Ulta Beauty did send me a giant box to celebrate their launch on TikTok. So I actually want to take this moment to show you everything I got in my box so that you can shop these during the 21 days of beauty on Ulta. And also you can pick these up on the Ulta Beauty TikTok shop, okay? Let's jump into it.
Get out the way.
If you are new to my channel, my name is OHEMAA. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. I took my nails off a few days ago and I really haven't put it back because I was told that I was getting some Glamnetic nail products and I thought, let me not put anything on so I can see how I can use these Glamnetic products and so I can tell you how I like it somewhere down the line. But in today's video, I am going to be doing, I guess I'm doing an unboxing. I did take out the conditioner, reconstructor, and the setting and the shampoo in the box, and I used it to wash my hair. But my hair hasn't washed for like a few days now, and I figured let me go ahead and show you everything else that comes in the box, because although we may have missed a few days when it comes to the sale, you can absolutely also catch the end of week sales, and we can also buy some things for the rest of the time that we have available. So this video is going to go up probably outside of my normal upload days because I want you to be able to have a chance to shop the Ulta Beauty sale and also to be able to buy from the Ulta Beauty TikTok shop, okay? Thank me later. Let's jump into it. First things first is going to be my nails. I need to get my nails done. So I will be using these Glamnetic nails. I was waiting to get these in, and I've actually been thinking about doing short nails this time around. So I was very excited when I got these in. These are Glamnetic nails, and these are press-ons. And before I started doing my own Gel-X nails, I did press-ons, and I can get my press-ons to last a very, very long time. So we have 3 here. So this is the style Mauve Muse. Okay, this one is Dynasty Dot, and this one is French Noir. These are extra short nails, and I think I'm ready for some extra short nails. Okay, in this little bag, we have the Made by Mitchell curve case, and this is the medium curve case. This is what the medium looks like. This is definitely going to be like a concealer slash Barbie doll pink blush case for me, and it has some brown blushes in here that we could experiment with. I am excited about this curve case. We have the Lift Tinted Glotion, and this is the shade Medium Deep. This is not going to be a good shade for me, but I think I have the Glotion in the shade Deep or Deep Dark, if I'm not mistaken. Did you know Ulta Beauty has its own beauty brand? If you didn't know, it's called the Ulta Beauty Collection. They have makeup and they have brushes. We have a dual-ended brush. Dual-ended Bronzing 184 brush. Okay, next we have a bronze balm shell. Oh, I think they sent me a box made for like a medium skin tone person because this one is looking very, very light, but I will be endeavoring to find the deep version of the balm shell. Absolutely. Okay, this is the About Face Light Lock. It's a gloss. Gorgeous shade. I have this one in the same exact shade, I think. And last but not least, in the little baggie, we have the Dermatology. I can't pronounce this. We have a Luminous Eye Corrector with SPF 41 in the shade Deep. Oh, it's like a color corrector and it's the shade Deep. So we're gonna put everything back in here. I don't know if these specific products that I'm showing you is actually like currently on sale. It could have been previously on sale during the last week, but if it's on sale right now, you can absolutely check them out, and you can check them out daily because they have different sales for different days. Okay, I'm just gonna sit this right next to me. Okay, so this is the shampoo, the conditioner, and the reconstructor that I used. I loved it. I put the reconstructor on first. I wet my hair, applied it to my hair, left it on for about 30 minutes, washed my hair with the shampoo, and then did the conditioner, left it on for about 15 minutes, rinsed it out, and proceeded with my leave-ins. And my hair has been feeling really nice the past couple of days, so I'm here for it. I will keep using it until it's all done. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into what's in the rest of this box. They packed this box to the brim, like it is packed. Okay, So let's jump into it. First we have this we have a lip tinted Build Your Lash Legacy. It is a volumizing and lengthening mascara. It's a volumizing and lengthening mascara, and lip tinted has really nice products. There is a torture device, a lash curl. I call this the torture device because it is so scary for me to use a lash curl. I'm always afraid it's going to pinch the skin around my eyes, so I'm very cautious with it. But if you can use it, absolutely fantastic. Oh, Polite Society. We have a Polite Society Big Mouth Extra Plump Gloss. It says that it's a clean formula. I love the Polite Society mascara. Oh, it's kind of like orange looking, but I also already have a gloss on. It smells like pepper. Smells spicy. I'll be trying this on its own, and if it works, I'll probably be putting on to go to sleep so I can wake up with nice juicy lips, you know? There's a makeup brush from Made by Mitchell. Half Magic eyeshadow sticks, which I have reviewed these on my channel, so I will link that video down so you can check it out. I have also reviewed the lip tinted eyeliner on my channel already. I will link it somewhere so you can see. If it's not, it's probably a short, so I will probably link it down below in the description so you can see that as well. But now you should know that Ulta Beauty carries lip tinted Made by Mitchell and Half Magic Beauty product. We have a Dibs body brush, and one of my favorite mascaras that I'm actually wearing right now is from Dibs. I do need another one, so if there's one in here, I'll be ecstatic. This one is almost dry. The thing that controls how much mascara comes out is not working anymore, but I'm still using it because it is such a gorgeous mascara. I don't have any falsies on, and my eyes look really stunning. I love the Dibs mascara down. Okay, it is so good. So if you have tiny lashes like I do, definitely check it out. It has one end that is a primer and the other end is a mascara. That combo is like unbeatable. Okay, it's definitely unbeatable for me. We have this About Face liquid, or should I say cream eyeshadow. It is such a gorgeous shade. I will probably just make a video dedicated to this product. Face and body highlighter. I haven't tried this yet. The only Dibs product I have tried is my mascara, and I like it. Okay, so I'm excited to try other products from Dibs as well. Half Magic single eyeshadows. I didn't know Ulta Beauty carried single eyeshadow products. Oh god, my lips are burning. That Polite Society gloss. This is called A Personal Day Unplug Blackheads and Melton Nose Strips. Okay, this will unplug blackheads from your nose, and it's gonna melt everything in and pull it out. You're supposed to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and remove the strip. You wash the residue with warm water and then dry your face. We have this Anua Rice 70 Glowy Milky Toner, and it says that it's a moisturizing milky toner enriched with rice bran water that helps your skin glow with a refreshing lightweight finish. I have a few milky toners that I'm trying out. I have the light one from Point of View and the thick one from Haru Haru Wanda. So when those two run out, I will be trying out this Anua one because I've seen a lot of people talk about this brand. We have the Dibs Jam Lip Plumping Lipstick Melt. But this is what it looks like. My lips are already done, so I'm not gonna put anything on because this mug, okay? This mug. Also, majority of the products on my face right now is from Ulta Beauty. Go check them out. Okay, we have this Get Up Maylaise. I think that's how you pronounce this. If not, someone correct me. It's Maylaise Get Up Daily Toning Body Milk. And the thing I like about Maylaise is most of their body products has actives in it, so you're treating your skin. Okay, you don't have to fight too hard to get what you need, especially when it comes to actives for your body. This one is the Maylaise Body Toner Giant Body Cream. This is the Maylaise Get Dreamy Overnight Toning Body Whip. Okay, I've been using this brand for a few years now. I do get a few products from them here and there, and I like using it. And they have some very refreshing and very nice smelling body mist, and they also have actual body serums that have actives in it. This is another product from Personal Day. It's called Trust Me on This. It's a hypochlorous acid spray. Okay, what does this do? The main ingredient in here is water, and the second ingredient is sodium chloride. So essentially it's something that's supposed to be like a light exfoliator plus what is it called? Bacteria killing spray for your skin. So definitely check them out. We have another brand called, I feel like it's pronounced Dermatology because of how it's spelled. But these are bright eye masks. So essentially your under eye mask to help brighten up your under eyes, which I need to start getting into like a whole lot. Polite Society has a moisturizing glaze mist. Oh, I thought it was kind of thick for a second, but it is a spray. Ooh, it's definitely a spray. It smells really nice and really refreshing, and it's made with rose biotics, and it has vegan hyaluronic and niacinamide in here. It just smells strongly of rose. So, you know, just bear that in mind. There is the Polite Society Pops. These are power blush. This is a power blush stick. We have a Half Magic. I feel like this is a glitter. Yeah, this is a glitter. I've showed you guys this already. This is a glitter, like a creamy glitter base from Half Magic. I have showed you this. We have Ulta Beauty Collection Wake Up Eye Patches. Very nice. I have the Ulta Beauty Collection razor sticks that I use to clean my brows and my lip hairs, you know. We have a ton of fragrances from Ulta Beauty. So we are going to start with, oh, this is not a fragrance. It is a fragrance. Fine Fragrance Milk. This is the Noise Milk de Parfum. It's a fine fragrance milk. This is what it's looking like. This is purely a fragrance product. The top notes are pink pepper and Italian bergamot. Middle tone is water lily and bamboo. Base note is vanilla bean and broxan and cedar wood. And let's see, how are you supposed to use this? It says a new way to wear fragrance. It says a new way to wear fragrance. A first of its kind, alcohol-free, concentrated fragrance in a lightweight, hydrating milk that delivers the scent load of an eau de parfum with a fast absorbent, non-sticky finish that leaves the skin luminous and scented all day. Okay. I'm gonna use it on my hand so we can see. Fairly certain this is pronounced Noise. Okay, this is what it looks like. It is given lush vibes. I can immediately smell the vanilla on it. Oh, this is thick. This is how thick it is. It's almost like a lotion. Oh, it smells really good. You cannot use this as lotion because it says that you're supposed to add it to your skin. I would absolutely use this after I put my lotion on, or just add it into my lotion. This is the difference. You see this? Like, my hand is definitely glowy. This is the one I put it on. It's really glowy. Oh, it smells so good. It's not overpowering. It's very calming, very ground. Oh, yeah. This is nice. This is a Squishmallow Whisk Away perfume. Okay, this is a Squishmallow perfume. This is the fragrance Whisk Away. I bought one of these when I was in California, but I ended up returning it because they have one set that has 4 fragrances. Well, I think 3 fragrances in there. I wanted to buy one of those so I can give it to each kid. Because if I buy only one for my daughter, we're gonna have problems. The boys are gonna say, how come we don't have one? How come we don't have one? So I have to be strategic with my purchases when it comes to things that all the kids like. This is what it looks like. This is what the fragrance looks like. It comes with a pump that you can spray with, but it also comes with the fancy one that you can do this with. So I don't know which one she would want. I would just give her both of them. This Noise is like, has taken over my hands. I don't think I can smell anything else after after that Noise scent. Sniff has been asking to send me a bunch of their products, so I'm excited to have my first samples here. Extra Whip is the name of this, and this one is called Berry Styles. Yeah, vanilla. Of course, as soon as I saw the box, I just figured this would be like a vanilla type of a scent. It says that it's cold aldehydes, ice and sugar, whipped cream, vanilla, milky sandalwood, and fluffy musk. It's a high quality, clean, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty free. I can't really smell it because of that noise. I should not have put that noise on. It smells so good. I can smell the sandalwood in here. Sandalwood has a very specific scent for me. Like initially when I take a whiff, it smells like, oh my God, like I don't like it. But then after it sits on my skin for a little bit, I'm okay with it. So when I spray anything with sandalwood in it, I try not to take a first whiff at it or it's gonna make me feel nauseous. It's very odd. It's a very odd feeling for me. But I always feel like that when it's like sandalwood. The first whiff always makes me feel like, ugh. And then after it dries down a bit, I'm like, okay. I don't want to open this one because I'm not going to be able to smell it anyway. But there is a berry mist. And last but not least, we have the Hotcakes Fine fragrance from Sniff. Okay, this is what it looks like. And it says a pancake scent that stacks up. Warmer than a griddle and twice as tempting, Hotcakes is a fluffy flapjack fragrance that drips with melted butter, maple syrup, sugared musk, and a berry compote. Okay, a gourmand, so good it'll make you flip out. Okay, words. A lot of fragrances, a lot of body care, a lot of beauty stuff, a few hair products that I've already literally taken out and used because I could not wait. It was time for me to wash my hair, so I had to try this K Beauty hair product, and I'm not upset about it. Okay, now these are all products that you can pick up from Ulta during this 21 days of sale, and you can also pick them up on the Ulta Beauty TikTok shop. Okay, let me know down below in the comments if you tried any of the products I showed you today. Let me know which ones are your favorites, which ones you want to try, and which ones you want me to try tomorrow. Okay, huge thank you to Ulta Beauty for sending me this amazing box. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down below so you don't miss any future uploads from me. Click the notification bell, hype up this video, and join my channel membership so you don't miss any future uploads from me. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.